Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Welcome to Season 2, Episode 6 of the Mr. Camilleri Show. So Episode 5 focused on one-digit addition, and we are steadily building to more and more challenging problems. Episode 6 is going to be two-digit addition with and without regrouping. Let's get into it. DJ, drop a beat for the learning target of the day. The learning target of the day for Season 2, Episode 6 is I can add two-digit numbers with and without regrouping. Success criteria: solve 10 two-digit addition problems correctly. So we are going to get right into examples 1 to 5, and the first 5 examples are going to be without regrouping. No regrouping in examples 1 to 5. All right, so for the first example problem, we have 15 plus 14. And now instead of adding 15 plus 14 together all at once, what we're going to do is we are going to break it down to the ones place and the tens place. So I want you to think of it as two separate one-digit problems. So if you go to the ones place, the digits all the way to the right, we are adding 5 plus 4. I actually put two one-digit problems up here just so it would be easier for you to see. So the digits all the way to the right, 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Now going to the tens place, 1 plus 1 equals 2. And our answer is 29. 15 plus 14 equals 29. Example number 2, 31 plus 11. So we always start in the ones place. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Then going to the tens place, 3 plus 1 equals 4. And 31 plus 11 equals 42. $27 plus 12. So again, we always start in the ones place with the digits all the way to the right. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Then we go to the tens place. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And our answer is 39. 24 plus 23, starting with the digits in the ones place. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now going to the tens place, 2 plus 2 equals 4. We have our final answer, 24 plus 23 equals 47. Now we're going to get into examples 6 to 10. And these next 5 examples, they will include regrouping. All of them are going to be examples that require regrouping. Example 6, 25 plus 15. So when we're solving addition problems, we regroup whenever the sum in either the ones or tens place is 10 or more. If the sum is 9 or less, we do not need to regroup. If the sum is 10 or more, we do need to regroup. Now looking at the digits in the ones place here, 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 equals 10. So we have to regroup in the ones place. So the 0 in the number 10 goes in the ones place. And then the 1, the number 10, that gets carried over to the tens place. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. But if we add the 1 that we carried over, it equals 4. That makes it 4. 4 in the tens place. So if I'm going to do the same thing up here that I'm doing down there, 25 plus 15 equals 40. All right, so example number 7, we have 37 plus 17. I don't really need to have one-digit problems above it. I just do that so all of you can see. So all of you can see what's happening, so it's easier for students to visualize. but we're always going to start out by adding the digits in the ones place. So 7 plus 7 equals 14. Now we can only have one digit in each place value. We can only put one digit in the ones place and one digit in the tens place. So again, since our sum is more than 10, we have to regroup. The 4 in 14 goes in the ones place, and then the 1 in the number 14 gets carried over to the tens place. So we're adding 1 plus 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus the 1 that we carried over makes it 5. And our answer, 37 plus 17 equals 54. Make the 4 a little neater that way. Yep, there we go. 37 plus 17 equals 54. All right, example 8 now. 19 plus 19. So we always start with the digits in the ones place. 9 plus 9 equals 18. So the 8 and 18 goes in the ones place. The 1 and 18 gets carried over to the tens place. So 1 plus 1 is 2, plus the 1 that we carried over makes it 3. And our answer is 38. 19 plus 19 is 38. Example number 9 now. 49 plus 55. So adding the digits in the ones place, 9 plus 5 equals 14. So the 4 and 14 goes in the ones place. The 1 and 14 gets carried over to the tens place. 4 plus 5 equals 9. We have to add the 1 that we carried over. That makes it 10. And our answer is 104. 49 plus 55 equals 104. Put your hands together for the final example of the show. 44 plus 29. So we're going to add 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 equals 13. 3. Carry the 1. 4 plus 2 equals 6. We add the 1 that we carried over. It makes it 7. And we have our final answer. 44 plus 29 equals 73. And that is a wrap for Season 2, Episode 6 of the Mr. Camilleri Show. Hope you enjoyed the episode. You can watch the Mr. Camilleri Show on Rumble and on YouTube at 7, 6 Central. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.